Video. You're watching one right now, but if I had to guess, I'd say you don't do it on a daily basis, do you? And I mean creating videos, not watching them. Hey everyone, Sylvia here. Today I'm coming at you to talk about the importance of using video in your freelance business and all the different ways, or some of the different ways that you can use it to get more clients. Now, for those of you who haven't clicked off yet and being like, oh no, I can't do video, I'm done, I'm out of here. Thank you, first of all, and congrats, you're a brave one. And I get it. It's hard, it's a lot of work, but if I show you what it can do for you, hopefully you look at it from a different perspective and want to try it out for yourself. So let's start off by talking about the benefits of video. Video can do wonders for your freelance business, and I know that because, well, it has for mine. First off, it helps you stand out from the crowd, and to me, that's the most important thing. I mean, yes, there's plenty of freelancers on Upwork and social media who may be offering the same thing as you, but if you were to somehow filter by those who do video versus those who don't, you narrow down your search big time. This is because most freelancers just won't go through the trouble of doing video. I mean, can you relate? Another benefit of doing video, especially on your Upwork proposals, is that it shows interest and commitment. Think about it. You wouldn't go through the trouble of recording a custom video for that client if you weren't really interested in the job, right? And if you put yourself in the client's shoes for a little bit, who's showing more commitment? The copy-paste general AF proposal or the one with video? I don't know about you, but I would likely give the job to the video one. And my clients agree. I mean, I'll try to put up on the screen a couple of the messages that I've gotten from clients who I sent a video proposal to, but truly, it does wonders. And last but not least, it helps you build trust. It shows people that there's an actual person on the other end of the screen, whether this is on Upwork or social media. And I mean, people buy from other people, so if anything, this will help you connect with your client a little bit better, and it'll likely get you a response or at least a couple more consideration points. Okay, so now that I've hopefully convinced you guys of the value of adding video to your freelance business, how the heck can you actually start? First of all, I invite you to gather up every drop of courage that you have and just do it. Open up loom.com or the camera app on your phone and record a video. This is not to send to anyone. This is just for you to see and for you to practice a little bit. And I know, I can hear you guys already. Oh, Sylvia, I'm too shy, I'm too nervous. English isn't my first language, and I hear you, okay? Like, I've been there myself. But just do it, okay? It's definitely worth it, and you guys will thank me later. And I mean, people tell me this all the time, like, oh, it's easy for you, you're used to it, you do it all the time, but there was a time where I didn't do it all the time and I had to start somewhere. And trust me, if I look back at those videos, they are cringy AF, but I still did it, and if I didn't do it back then, I wouldn't be where I am now. And honestly, between you and me, this is still not the easiest thing in the world, but I just do it because I see the value in it. I see the value in it for my business and for the people that I get to help through my videos. And if you're not convinced yet, here's a little secret that's not that secret. I'm an introvert, okay? Like, I have anxiety. English is my first language, but I'm here, okay? Like, I'm here doing video almost every day. And if I can do it, I bet you can. Do I get nervous? Yes. Do I re-record things 20 times in a row because I messed up something? Also yes. But what I don't do is I don't let that stop me from doing it because I know those 5 to 10 minutes of stress and awkwardness will pay off big time. And last but not least, how can you actually use video in your freelance business? I didn't want to end this video without sharing with you guys some of the ways that I use video for my freelance business that you can do too. So here's 5 ideas that you're free to steal. Number 1 is that I have a video on my Upwork profile. This is great for clients to get to know you before reaching out to you. Number 2 is I add a video to 99.9% of my proposals. You've heard me talk about this before, but it helps the client know that you're serious about the job, and it helps you stand out from the crowd. Number 3 is I deliver a video walkthrough with some of my projects, like my strategies and my audits for social media. This just adds extra value to your deliverables and allows you to explain your thought process behind the design or strategy. Number 4 is I do stories and reels on Instagram. This helps connect with your audience a lot better. And honestly, I've gotten a few clients from stories in the early stages of my account. I'm talking like 100 followers most. Number 5, I do video classes on Skillshare. Surprisingly, this has even got me at least one client in the past. So if you have a skill, do consider sharing it there. Plus, it can be a good side income. I'll link a video I've done on this in the past down below in the description. And of course, I have my videos here on YouTube. While these are not necessarily geared towards getting me more social media management clients, these are geared towards you guys, the freelancers, and helping you on your journeys. I still like to think that they're making a difference and that they're worth making. So let me know down in the comments if any of my videos have helped you guys at all. I would really appreciate it and it would make my day. So let me know. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope that this, at the very least, convinced you guys to try video out for yourselves. I mean, if you've watched this far, you're hopefully convinced that video is a great asset to your business. And remember, nobody was perfect on day one, so don't expect that from yourself either. Again, we all gotta start somewhere, but I promise you guys that video is definitely worth the awkwardness at first, and it gets easier with time. And if you have any questions or requests, as always, feel free to leave those down in the comments or shoot me a DM over on Instagram. I'd love to help you guys out. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe down below so you don't miss out on my next one. I post all about Upwork and freelancing, and you don't want to miss out on my next one. I don't know what that was about, but I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!